Gentlemen, so by now, most of you know my story. Before YouTube and AlphaM, I was a personal trainer and owned a small fitness center. Now, unfortunately, or fortunately, that fitness center didn't succeed, but I was a great personal trainer. Some of you also know that I used to compete as a natural bodybuilder, and apparently I was pretty good at that as well. This is the trophy that I got when I won Natural Nationals. Check it out. I'm really proud of this trophy, and this is actually the only one that I've kept over the years, and I competed in a lot of shows and did really well. But this one, I'm proud of. But most of you don't know that long before I owned a personal training studio or competed in natural bodybuilding, I actually opened a chain of nutrition stores. Honestly, I know more about diet, nutrition, fitness, supplementation than I ever will know about style or grooming. Maybe not grooming. Fitness is everything to me. Eating well, supplementation, it's me. It's a part of me. And it's been a part of me for a very long time. And so, for those reasons, you can imagine how honored, humbled, and proud I am to announce that today's video sponsor is actually bodybuilding.com. For the past 18 years, bodybuilding.com has been my personal go-to resource for everything fitness related. Anything from workout plans, diet advice, information that's not all crazy, nuts, ridiculous bro science crap. They've got forums. They've got the largest online selection of bodybuilding and fitness supplements at an incredible price. They've got apparel, they've got clothing, they've got everything. All the workouts, all the information, all the forums, everything is free, and it is the best resource out there for fitness. Today, I'm going to be going over 10 of the best supplements, in my opinion, to build a better body. There is no affiliation with any one of these products. I have had bodybuilding.com build a special custom landing page to feature all 10 of these products. So if you guys are interested and want to go check them out or buy them, that link is in the description. There's also a discount code. When you go to the site, when you go to the link, there's actually a special code that is just for you. And so without any further ado, I'd like to talk about the 10 best supplements in my opinion. Now, the first few supplements are not going to be your sexy supplements. They're not going to give you massive pumps or give you tons of energy. They're, in my opinion, just incredibly important, and if you're looking to do something to better yourself and your body, your physique, along with your health, you may want to consider them. The first product I would like to talk about is a great multivitamin. Multivitamins, all right? This is the thing that drives me nuts when I hear and I talk to all these guys that are like, yo, I'm taking this, I'm taking that, and it's all workout supplements, but you're not taking the basic essential nutrients that you need. A good quality multivitamin is critical. The first thing you should, everybody should be taking. It is not possible to eat a diet balanced enough to get all of the nutrients that are found in a good multivitamin. Now, I keep saying good multivitamin. What makes a good multivitamin? Because there is also a lot of shit on the market. Whole food. That is what you're looking for. That means that this multivitamin, all of the ingredients, all of the nutrients are derived from real food, which means that your body can actually absorb it as opposed to just peeing it all out. Number two is vitamin C. I take an additional 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C in addition to what is actually found in the multivitamin. The reason vitamin C is a rock star, it doesn't get any better than vitamin C in terms of antioxidant protection, helping your immune system, your skin, vitamin C is incredible. The third supplement is omega-3. Gentlemen, you need to be taking the essential fatty acids. Omega-3, it doesn't get any better than that. All right, it's incredible for your health, your heart, your cardiovascular, everything. The fourth supplement is L-Arginine. L-Arginine is an amino acid, and this is a supplement that actually helps with circulation. It helps with the elasticity of your veins. This is actually what I take and why, other than I have low body fat, that I'm so vascular. That my veins, you know, my arms, when people are like, oh, your arms, it's because of this. Number 5, ZMA. Zinc, magnesium, plus a little B6. This product is incredible. It helps you sleep. You take it at night. It helps with recovery. ZMA, like I said, do your research. This, I almost said a bad word, is incredible. Now we're getting to some of the exciting supplements. And it doesn't get any more exciting than number 6, which is Quadracarn by Beverly International. This product is the best fat burning supplement that is natural and not going to wire you up or get you all crazy that I have ever tried or found. I did a video talking about Quadracarn in 2014 when I found it. This stuff shreds fat. When you're dieting for a bodybuilding competition, you want to get as shredded as possible. You need to lose all the body fat in order to see everything, all the striations and all that good stuff. L-Carnitine was a critical component of my diet program. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have Quadracarn. That L-Carnitine that is in Quadracarn is better than anything I've ever tried. I would also supplement it with this, number 7, CLA. Sorry, CLA. CLA stands for conjugated linoleic acid. It is actually an omega-6, which is a fatty acid. They get this from sunflowers. Interesting side note. And this actually combined with L-Carnitine was an incredible fat shredding dynamic duo. Natural, of course. There's something about the conjugated linoleic acid and body fat. It basically helps emulsify or break down body fat. The L-Carnitine then would take the body fat and convert it into energy. And so together, super powerful. Number 8, protein. Not just any protein, a high quality protein. This is ON, or Optimum Nutrition. Optimum Nutrition has been around since I was doing the nutrition store and is one of the best quality proteins on the market. It mixes up super quick, no clumps, it tastes delicious. It's perfect for adding to oatmeal or to protein drinks. This stuff, incredible. Why do you need protein? To help rebuild the muscles. You break them down, you need the amino acids found in protein to get bigger, stronger, and all that good stuff. You need a protein that is easily digestible, absorbable, and this is awesome. Now let's talk about pre-workouts. That's what everybody's here for. Number 9 is the pre-workout drink. Now, truth, I don't take a pre-workout. I drink a lot of coffee through the day, and so I'm already jacked up. But if you're looking for an incredible pre-workout to try, this stuff has insane reviews. Guys, that's the other cool thing about bodybuilding.com. When you go and you find a product, you can see a review. The review isn't bullshit either. It's all active people that have actually tried it. This stuff, ridiculous. It's going to give you energy. It's going to give you a better pump. It's going to help in your endurance, your recovery. All right, so you're all jacked up. You had an incredible workout due to the pre-workout. Now you need a post-workout recovery cocktail. This, incredible. It's got a ton of amino acids. Remember I said amino acids, the building blocks, protein, they've been damaged, bigger, stronger? Yeah, this has a ton of amazing aminos in it. It's also got creatine monohydrate along with some other great things that help with your recovery. Guys, all of the products I just showed you are linked in, or I should say are featured on that landing page along with the discount. Bodybuilding.com, like I said, they are my go-to resource and they should be yours. All of the workouts, all the information there is 100% totally free. In conclusion, gentlemen, here's the deal. I know that it can get confusing. I know that there's so much information out there. There's tons of products and everybody's trying to sell their own product line. I'm not trying to do that. I wanted to team up with bodybuilding.com so that I could actually tell you my honest opinion on the best supplements in my personal opinion. But like I said, do your own research. If you decide that one of the products I talked about is for you, great. I think you're definitely going to be happy. Like I said, there's a link down below to a special landing page with all of the products along with a discount code. If you got any questions, call them. Customer service, ridiculous. Shipping, super fast. Starting to work out is the single best decision I have ever made. It has changed my life. And if you decide to do it, it's going to change yours.